Hello friends, welcome back to our channel for a wonderful video for making a DIY technique to trap the wild animals. If you are near a forest, you need to protect from the wild animals. It's easy way, a nice technique you can try, but be careful not to be dangered. This is carrot. Or potato, any other you can use. There is a rope that tied it to a tree, dead tree. You have to put a trap technique, tie it. You can release when the animal take the trap this way. The tying is to be careful to release easily. That is why we have to tie that up. I will show you how you can tie. That willow should have a nest and elbow type, and it will be connected into the that connection. Like it is single machine. This way you can easily find some animal is coming to eat the carrot or other. That will be trapped it to and throw it to away. Once more you can see using carrot. Be careful, don't to be get injured. After fixing this, you should take some distance behind that. It's more powerful if the tree is powerful. Bendable tree like coffee tree or other wood logs should to be chosen. Live tree is better. The plant, the plant that will not be easily damaged. Suppose the animal is coming like that and eating the carrot. If the carrot completely eaten, the trap will be this way. Nice any other wild animals that spoil your agricultural crops. You can test this technique even for riot in another way. that go to height. Then is the weight that will be in the earth itself, but its neck will be tight. I am explaining once more this reply. You can understand easily how the wedge is created. One side what is taken it's elbow type wood act as a simple machine. And the carrot is supporting that not to be trapped. But if an animal comes and take the carrot,